is Martin from Secrets, the channel for learning about trading and investing. Welcome to a Friday market wrap-up. This is going to be very brief, and we would have a detailed analysis for the entire week. The video for which would be coming out on Sunday. So watch that for the market view for the next week. But this is just a quick wrap-up for today. What happened today? This is Nifty 50. That you see here the charts, and you can see that it's a green close. Right? It did not manage to close above the previous candle's high, right? But a green close, right? And intraday the price action was very flat. Basically, it's a V-shaped move, 15 minutes candle if you see, right? But Banknifty, it was trending today, right? Look at the closing. The closing is above the previous high. Clear bullishness is very much evident, and that's the thing. So it's breaking out of a trend line channel. Banknifty very confirmed, but Nifty is still on the edge, right? You can say that it is broken out, but not with a solid candle above the previous candle high, right? That has not happened. That solid green close would only have confirmed that it is breakout itself, right? So be cautious on that. And Nifty, that's it. Less than 1% of move, flattish move, which is coming to some flattish moves. It's 0.22 and 0.44 kind of move is what is happening. So there is some element of uncertainty at this point because the breakout is not solid as seen in the Nifty. Right? Although Bank Nifty is more bullish. And let's look at the resistances on the upside. This is Nifty gap resistance at 17,921 is what we have to look out for. And then you have the resistance 18,115, and then downside the first resistance would be 17,000. It would be 16,947. 48, that level, that's a gap support. If that's breached, then you come to 16,653. That's resistance on the downside on Nifty. Coming to the Bank Nifty, the immediate resistance that you can see is 39,425. Right? That's a previous swing high. That's after that you have 40,160. Right? That's two resistance on the upside. Similarly, downside you have a new support that has come in at 38,400 levels. That's support that has created yesterday's gap. That's for exactly before that only today's bounce up has happened. Today it was intraday. If you look at for Bank Nifty, it was trending high as opposed to the Nifty, which was kind of V-shaped recovery mode, right? So Bank Nifty is more bullish definitely. And support is close by 38,400 first, and then below that 36,808 support. Resistance we are already seen, right? And volatility, you can see that it's rising and bullish volatility, and momentum is bullish. Definitely short-term bullish is what we're talking about. Trend is also ATX indicator is indicating bullishness. VIX has further cooled off. It was 6% cool off. Now it is 70.6, which is good. It's positive. Futures is long built up of open interest. Options levels are showing 17,000 to 17,800 today. And 39 to 39,000 is the range of the highest put and call rating is there. Support and resistance basically. PCR is bullish definitely. So that's momentum, open interest, PCR, and support resistances, price patterns, volatility bands, all are bullish. Sectors today, metal and realty performed. IT and pharma did not perform. Others were flat. Short term, all sectors are short term bullish, you can say. Right? But FMCG and auto are managing to be the most bullish ones. Right? Heavyweights, if you see ICICI Bank and Reliance performed today, others were flat. IT stocks did not perform. Sector itself did not perform. So Infi and TCS did not perform. This is the good part. The Fyers, once again for the 11 days, not 10. It's 11 days of buying. 11 days of buying. And the crude oil is falling, which is good. Fyers are buying, which is good. Right? Across the sector, bullishness is there on the momentum perspective on the short term. Crude oil is falling. We already talked. All the indicators are positive on the momentum trend. We already seen that. Dollar index is rising, slightly rising. Right? Gold is near the consolidation mode at the supports. SGX and US indices are showing green as of now. Monday you have a holiday, so truncated week next week, and 31st also is a holiday this month, so it's a truncated month as well, right? So that's a wrap up of what happened today. So if you see overall, it's still continue to be bullish, right? Although there is some kind of indication of a small consolidation that could be seen before the next gap in the 790 is cleared on the Nifty. But Bank Nifty is super bullish. It was showing strength yesterday also, and still that strength is still seen. and Nifty showed strength yesterday, but it is still not broken yesterday support of the gap up, right? So super strong bullishness is still there, but you have to be cautious just because of the fact that the trend line breakout is not yet fully confirmed. There is some consolidation that's happening at the top of the trend line channel. That's the only thing they have to be. And there is a 20% of move that has happened in the Bank Nifty, and nearly 16% of move has happened in the Nifty also. So there is time for some retracement that could come in, and we know the supports, and we'll have to play accordingly, right? So swing trades, you have to be slightly cautious and ready to do the adjustments if you're doing the options, because there could be some pullback that may come in, but no doubt about the bullishness in the market. That's a wrap up for Friday, and the detailed analysis of for next week, studying all the aspects, all the sector, all the charts of all indicators, and the clear market view for the next week's would be coming on the Sunday's video. Please watch out. If this helps you to some way, consider hitting the like button and share to maximum. We have very few subscriptions. I appreciate the help in this world. Thanks for watching. Happy trading, happy investing, happy learning. Bye.